If you want to see how to transform this braiding extension to this amazing bone straight, trust me guys, you really need to see this video because I'm gonna be exposing a lot of secrets, and this gives me this amazing bombshell French curls. Like, you guys really need to see this video, and this is how it looks like when braided. Guys, this is so amazing. Like, I myself, I was really shocked about this.
All we'll ever trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy. I am super excited to show you guys this video because I've been really looking forward to making a French curls braid by myself, and it was quite hard because the extension was expensive in the market. So I just wanted something I can do, you know, like within my budget. So guys, this is basically what I did. I took a braiding extension and I cut it into two, and then I just went ahead to straighten it with this hot comb. And trust me guys, do not apply anything before straightening out this. Do not apply anything. Like, this came out really nice as though it was a bone straight extension. And guys, remember there was a time they were actually selling this bone straight extension that is using it to actually make a synthetic wig, like a crochet synthetic wig, and it was quite expensive in the market. Trust me, you can just go ahead to do this by yourself. Like, you really do not need to start spending a whole lot of money getting a braiding bone straight extension in the market. Just get this and it will come out really looking nice, especially if you want to make a wig with this. So this is basically the results of just getting the using the hot comb to making this, to brushing it out, and it's come out really nice. And then again, I feel like you should use the hot comb rather than just using a straightener to straighten this. That is what I just feel. That's my personal opinion, but you can actually go ahead using a straightener, but I would advise that you use a hot comb because then again it's come out looking really nice. And yeah, so I went ahead to use the weave-on gloss like you just saw earlier on. I used a Viola weave-on gloss. I just like this product because it has a way of making the extension to be soft and glossy, and then you won't have to start detangling it if it's tangling and all of that. So this actually came out really nice, and I just thought I could use it for this French curls procedure. So yeah, this is basically what I did. I went ahead to use this PVC pipe. This is something you can actually get in the market, especially those that are into construction, that sell construction materials. You can actually get these PVC pipes from them. Is actually very cheap, and it's something that you can actually get with just as cheap as 200 naira. You can actually get a PVC pipe. Yes. So yeah, speaking from the time that I got this, like, this is not something I just got recently. I had this long time ago, so I don't really know the current price, but I know that it's quite affordable. So this is basically what I did. I just went ahead to wrapping this, and if you notice, while wrapping it, I make sure that I flattened my extension before wrapping. And trust me guys, there's also something I want you to also do before you start wrapping this. Make sure you separate your PVC pipe into smaller parts. I'm going to be showing you how the parts looks like, because along the line I noticed that it was very hard for me to like put the rubber band. And also, this is just one of the methods to securing the tips. You can use the rubber band, and another method that I'll be showing you in this video, guys, so just keep on watching. So I went ahead to doing the other parts, but then again I noticed that it was quite hard. It was quite hard for me to like put the rubber band on the other side. So I just felt, okay, I feel like I should do something about this and, you know, create another way to like make this easy, especially if you want to make this in a large quantity. You want to start stressing yourself just to going through the procedure of wrapping it and all of that. It will just be so like time consuming and all of that. So yeah, so I just went ahead to do the second one, and like I said, I used the Viola weave-on gloss to just apply on it, and then I use the comb to just straighten it out. You want to make sure that there is no form, like it is not tangling and all of that before you start wrapping. So yeah, this is what I meant by I was having difficulties in wrapping, and then I was like, I just felt like it was going to be very hard for me to attach the rubber band on the other side, because then again I wouldn't want it to affect the other one while passing out the rubber band. So guys, I just went ahead to use my scissors to just cut it, like, you know, making life easy for me and all of that. So yeah, I'm so sorry that I'm using that word, all of that. I'm just quite I just got used to it at some point. So yeah, I went ahead to doing the other parts, and then I used the bobby pin. I feel like this bobby pin really works, as in it works well, and it makes life easy. It makes life easy. So just wrap and then use a bobby pin and just secure the other side instead of using the rubber band. Like this process is just fantabulous. So that is just basically it, guys. So just keep on watching. So for the hot water mixture, I added a bit of olive oil and a little bit of ribbon gloss to this, and also I added the spray. This is like a whole spray. I added it to the hot water as well, and I went ahead to stir it very well, and then I placed the extension, the wrapped extension, in a empty bowl, and then I just went ahead to pour the mixture inside the bowl, just like so. So that is just basically it. So once you are done pouring out the water inside, and then I left it for like 5 minutes before taking it out, and then I just I used a towel to just tap dry it, like so. So this is basically what I did. After tap drying it, I left this for 2 days. That's about 48 hours. I left this for 2 days, and then that was just basically it, guys. The reason for leaving this for 2 days was because I wanted it to be I wanted the colors to come out really nice. So in this black mixture that I'm spraying right here on this braiding extension is just a leave-in conditioner that I mixed with water. So I'm just basically just spraying it just to, you know, give the curls some life. And also I went ahead to using the olive oil spray to just spray on this extension, and then I left it for 48 hours, like I said earlier on, and that was just basically it, guys. Now I'm so excited to show you how this result came out. Like, this result was amazing. Like, I wasn't expecting this to come out really nice as this. Like, so yeah, to take this out from the pipe, you just need to just bring it out like so, and yeah, that is just basically it. Very easy, very easy, guys. Very easy, and the curls came out really nice, like really nice. Like, it was so amazing. So guys, just keep on watching. So guys, I'm gonna show you how this look like when how the result looks like if you have to braid this. So I went ahead to using my scissors to just cut out the tips so that I can easily detangle this properly, and then it would not affect the cord. So you really need to make sure that you cut the tips before you separate it, like so. So this was just basically what I did. I just cut I went ahead from the middle section and divided into smaller parts, like so, carefully. And yeah, this is the result. It is looking so very nice, and trust me, this course is gonna last. It is gonna last, actually. So I went ahead to using this my mannequin head just to show you guys how the braids came out. So yeah.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
guys, this is how it looks like. This is so amazing. Like I really cannot tell the difference between the one that is sold in the market and this one. And the good part about this braiding extension is that I feel like the beauty comes out more the more the braiding extension, the more the results looks like it's looking so nice, just as I just did about 2 braids. You can just imagine, guys, I have not even done like a full week. Now imagine how it would look like if it was a full week. So guys, this is actually nice. I'm really loving this result. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys for sticking through with me. Thank you for watching this video to this extent. I love you guys. Bye.